HIKVISION Hybrid Video Intercom Kit, Unboxing and Demonstration. This is a hybrid intercom kit with one 4-wire analog door station and one indoor station. User-friendly control with a convenient touchscreen, convenient management via the Hik-Connect mobile client, more cost-effective options with analog doorbells, easy installation as the doorbell requires no exclusive power supply. Easy to set up. Plug and play saves time and money. Simple operation. One step to call with no complicated operations. Friendly touchscreen for a better experience. Remote control. Control your mobile device from anywhere, at any time. HIKVISION Hybrid Video Intercom Kit, built for effortless communication. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching.